In July 2022, the Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency, also known as the DVSA, launched the Ready to Pass campaign. The aim was simple: to encourage learners to take more responsibility for judging their own readiness before taking a driving test. This helps improve the national pass rate and reduces wasted test slots and long waiting times. The Ready to Pass campaign is split into 5 key sections. If you can confidently say yes to all 5, you're in a strong position to take your test. Section 1. You do not need prompts from your driving instructor. This means that when you're driving, the driving is fully yours. Your instructor is not there to guide every decision, they're simply directing the route and stepping in only if safety is at risk. Just like on a real driving test, you are responsible for the safety of the vehicle, its occupants, and every other road user around you. If you still rely on reminders or prompts, then you're not quite test ready yet. Section 2. You do not make serious or dangerous faults. Serious or dangerous faults are those that could cause potential or actual harm to yourself, to other road users, or to property. A simple rule to remember is this: if your actions could realistically cause another road user to change speed, change direction, stop suddenly, or increase the risk of a collision, then it can be a serious or dangerous fault. You should be able to maintain full control of the vehicle and drive safely at all times. If your instructor has to take control to maintain safety, then you are not ready to take a driving test. Section 3. You can pass mock driving tests. Mock driving tests are the driving equivalent of GCSE or A-level mock exams. They're used to measure your ability, your independence, and your consistency under test-like conditions. Your instructor isn't trying to catch you out or find reasons to fail you. Just like a real examiner, they're assessing whether you can control the vehicle and maintain safety at all times. Any faults made during a mock test should never be brushed off. They should be analyzed properly, trained correctly, and retested so your driving meets the high standard set by the DVSA. Section 4. You have practiced ways of managing your nerves. Nerves play a huge part in the outcome of any driving test. How you feel on the day can affect your judgment, your reasoning, and even your control of the vehicle. We understand how test nerves can betray you, we've all been there before. The key is having strategies in place to stay calm, focused, and in control for the entire duration of the test. For some people this comes naturally. For others, it takes practice. But managing nerves is a vital part of being test ready. Section 5, and the most important one. Your driving instructor agrees that you are ready. This is often the most overlooked section by learners and parents alike. Trust your driving instructor. You might not like being told you're not ready yet. You might not even agree with it. But instructors come from a position of experience, training, and professional qualification. They are trained to correctly assess driving ability regardless of how long someone has been learning. If your instructor doesn't agree that you're ready, the answer isn't to rush a test. The answer is to have a conversation. Ask where you need to improve, what steps you need to take, and what ready actually looks like for you. Don't take your driving test just because you found a cancellation. Take it when you can confidently say yes to all 5 ready to pass sections. That's how you give yourself the best possible chance of passing first time.